This short demonstration will show you how to use FlowLink to move orders from NetSuite into ShipStation. First, let's take a look at our plan. We'll ask FlowLink to periodically retrieve orders from NetSuite, then to send those orders to ShipStation when they're received. Of course, it's also possible to use FlowLink to pull fulfillment information from ShipStation and send it back to NetSuite, which we'll show in another demonstration video. In order to do this within FlowLink, we start at our connections page. Each connection represents a tool that we're using and has had its authentication information provided, which FlowLink's onboarding team will help you do. Since this is a demonstration account, we have a lot of connections here, but it's not unusual for clients to connect between 3 to 6 systems using FlowLink. The first step is to tell the NetSuite connection to create a workflow, which retrieves orders every 10 minutes. Then we give it a name, and since I've already created this workflow, I won't actually save it here. Once we're done with that, the next step is to tell the ShipStation connection to create a workflow which sends orders as soon as they come in. Although the interface is simple for basic workflows such as this, there are a lot of sophisticated things you can do in sending, such as creating multiple conditional workflows or creating complex transforms to suit nearly any business rule you can come up with. Once this is done, we have our 2 workflows, shown here at the bottom of the list of workflows for this account. Now let's look at our test order in NetSuite. It consists of one item, a shirt, and once we kick off the workflows we just created in FlowLink, it'll be retrieved and sent to ShipStation. I'm going to run this manually now for the purpose of this demo, but normally you just set it to run automatically however often you need the workflow to fire. Once that's done, we'll look at the transactions screen to see what happened, where you can see events listed most recent first. So at the bottom, you see our order getting pulled into FlowLink, and then right above that, you can see that the order was added to NetSuite. As you drill down, you can see more detail, such as the order object itself or the resulting message. In ShipStation, here's our order, ready to be shipped. The obvious next step is to create 2 more workflows to grab fulfilled order data from ShipStation and send it back to NetSuite, which will be the topic of another video. Other less obvious but very common requirements are to do things such as setting different statuses on orders based on their type, or splitting orders based on shipping fields in NetSuite, and so on. We only showed you a fraction of FlowLink's power here, but these are all easily accomplished, and the ability to help your business with specific needs such as this is what really sets FlowLink apart. Thank you and happy integrating.